Lucas bring to me something that I've not quite had. And I think that special air of concentration, scale and control, their delivery in management and innovation, along with their technology and their ability to control the whole performance, is something really not seen at this level. And I think with my eye for detail, my historic building nature and some guidance, and I think all that needs is a little tiny sprinkle here or there, it will work just perfectly. I hope to bring to Lucas exactly the passion and excitement that I have with architecture, with the heritage sector, which is, for me, something that I've grown up in. I've surrounded myself with beautiful buildings, wonderful people, great craftsmen, and been delighted to go to work. Arriving at Lucas is reignited much of this for me, and I believe that together we really do have something quite special.